Greetings, adventurers, and welcome to Epic Armoury. The assembly of armor in previous times could be cumbersome and tedious. However, today we're about to talk about a sudden change with the newer armor systems from Epic Armoury. Allow me to introduce the TieOn System. The system is not exactly rocket science. I suppose a good thing, because normally you wouldn't apply rockets in a fantasy setting. It consists of holes that are fitted into the torso armor and the shoulder piece armor, that are then easily combined with the application of a lace. Like this. All you need to do is to make sure that you have chosen the right holes for your size and fitting, and then tie it on. However, you can also tie on pieces from different sets. Let's say we wanted to make a Woodsman Sergeant, or even a Woodsman Captain. Now, these are just examples of the combinations you can do with the TieOn system. Check out all our products with the TieOn system at epicarmoury.com.